To export Monday.com board settings, follow this step-by-step guide. First, log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the board you want to export. Click on the three-dot menu at the top right corner of the board and select Board Settings. In the Board Settings window, click on the Export option. This will open a new window with export options. Choose the type of export you want to perform, either CSV or Excel file. If you want to export the board structure, including columns, groups, and items, select the Board Structure option. If you want to export the data in your board, select the Data option. You can also choose to export the data in a specific format, such as a table or a summary. Once you have selected your export options, click on the Export button. Your board settings and data will be exported to a file, which you can then download to your computer. It is a good practice to regularly export your board settings and data, so you have a backup in case something goes wrong. Additionally, exporting your board settings can be useful when you want to duplicate a board or move it to a different account. By following these steps, you can easily export your Monday.com board settings and data, and use them as needed. This process is straightforward and can be completed in a few minutes, making it a useful tool for managing your Monday.com boards. It is also important to note that the export feature is only available to board owners and admins, so you will need to have the necessary permissions to export a board. By exporting your board settings and data, you can ensure that your information is safe and easily accessible, and you can use it to improve your workflow and productivity.